Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This short video will show you how to properly install a pedestal on your LG front-load washing machine. The pedestal allows easier access to your laundry machine by elevating it from ground level. It's also great because it provides extra storage room for your laundry supplies. Use the pedestal feet to adjust the washer for a solid level installation, as described in the washer owner's manual. Place the pedestal in your desired location. Then level it by adjusting the legs of the pedestal by using the provided tool. Check with a level to verify the evenness of the pedestal. You will need to check this again after mounting the machine. Brackets that match the feet of the machines are located on top of the pedestal. The washer will fit into the outer recesses of each corner bracket. Before placing either machine onto the pedestal, make sure that all 4 feet are fully retracted. When mounting a dryer, attach the provided T-clips into the base of the dryer. These brackets are required for anchoring the dryer to the pedestal. Next, with the help of another person, lift the machine onto the pedestal and place the feet into the matching recesses. The mounting brackets on the washer and the pedestal will align. Install 2 screws on each side of the bracket. 4 screws per corner, 16 in all. Be sure to install all 4 screws at each corner of the washer. After all 16 screws have been installed, use the adjusting wrench provided with your washer to adjust each washer leveling feet down 1/2 turn to tension the washer against the pedestal. Do not exceed 1/2 turn, as this could damage the mounting brackets. After all 4 washer feet have been adjusted, tighten all 4 lock nuts on the washer feet. Install the dryer mounting screws, 2 per corner on each side. Install all 8 screws. Move your machine into position. Then, make sure your machine is properly installed by verifying with a level. Use the leveling feet to make adjustments. Your dryer installation is the same as your washer. Please follow the same instructions for pedestal installation. Your washer is now properly mounted on the pedestal. Thank you for watching the LG Customer Support channel. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.